How many times have you asked your client to engage their core, and even though you've been wisely teaching them functional breathing in tandem with classic exercises such as dead bugs and bird dogs, they still struggle to achieve that functional breathing with protective core engagement? For this reason, a stronger core not only improves overall power generation, but it also minimizes the risk of injury through that improved mind-body control and that corseted stability of the spine during exercise. I'm AJ Fisher, the creator of the Breathography technique, a research-supported breathing core technique that has helped hundreds of my clients achieve more optimal exercise results. Now, I would like to share this with you. Here are some of the many problems that face us as trainers when working on core integration into our clients' workouts. The confusion factor. This is the difficulty in teaching the clients what the core is and why it's important during exercise. The time factor. How do we integrate breathwork, core, cardio, functional training? The time is working against us, so we have to be efficient. The bored factor. We all know our clients have short attention spans. Getting that client to care and get excited about the posture work, the breath work, and the core work. How do we do it?